What's the meaning of adagio? Adagio. 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 The word adagio is used in music to indicate a slow tempo. It is an Italian term that literally translates to at ease or leisurely. When a piece of music is marked adagio, the performer is expected to play it at a slow, lulling pace. The resulting effect is often one of tranquility and calmness, with each note lingering in the air like a gentle breeze. Adagios are commonly found in classical music, but can also be used in other genres. Overall, adagio is a term that conveys a sense of relaxation and meditation.